Hey guys, it's Hilda here. So, quick and honest review on this pack from Deckmongi that includes two magnetic shelves for storage, or basically, you can stick this to any magnetic surface. And what I was really looking forward to about these items is that the magnetic hold is going to be super, super efficient and strong. It also comes with two movable hooks and one hook rack. So, this is a very versatile set, and you can use it in your office, not necessarily only in your fridge, but it comes with all of these accessories and it provides a ton of storage. You can hang keys or literally whatever you want to store. It's super easy to install. You literally just pop it in whatever magnetic surface, and yeah, you can literally store whatever you want. You can store stuff that you use in your kitchen. You can also use it for storing whatever you want to use in that area. For example, here we put it in our fridge. So we first stored some condiments, some fruits, scissors, our car keys. You can hang also towels. The shelves themselves are very sturdy and they are not going to fall whatsoever. We loaded it with a lot of things and it's not going to budge. It also doesn't move when you open and close the door, and also where you hang your keys, it's not going to move anyway. So it is very, very sturdy, and it also looks very, very nice. It looks like very high quality. It feels very high quality because it's made out of very high quality durable materials. And I just feel like the black color is very classic and elite, and it just looks very nice in whatever kitchen. It really matched well in our kitchen. And here we have another shot of other things you can store in here. For example, we did some stuffed animals, but you can literally hold whatever. If you have it in your office, you can hold pencils, pens, a stapler, whatever you want, and it's not going to fall whatsoever. So, overall, final thoughts on this product is that it's a very complete kit, very high quality. It's not going to budge from the magnetic connection to a surface. It's very, very sturdy and strong. And if you want extra storage in a magnetic space, definitely check out this kit. It's very cool and high quality.